Hey everyone, this is Professor Eskew. I'm actually sitting here in my hotel room in Baltimore, Maryland. I just arrived for the 2018 National Business Educators Association National Convention. I'll be presenting here in a couple days, so I'm here to enjoy the sights of Baltimore and get some great information on uh, business topics. So I wanted to do a little introductory video to post it to the discussion board. So a little bit about myself. Excuse me. I was born and raised in Ohio. I'm a farm boy. So we raised cows, chickens. We actually had a stud service for Appaloosa horses as well. I went to college right after high school. I went to Ohio University and got a dual major in accounting and in computer systems. Did that for a while. After I graduated, I actually went into the financial services industry, and I was there for 27 years, pretty much. I took a 5-year hiatus and was in manufacturing in IT for a short while and a materials manager for a short while. But the most of my career was in the financial industries. I was in the commercial credit side of the bank. So that was lending to small businesses, medium-sized businesses, and large corporations. Was in several different banks. Ended my career it's about 5, 6 years ago when I came out to California. But the last 7 years of my career, I was in a small community bank. We actually started that bank from scratch. So we went out and had to secure $20 million worth of capital from different investors. And my responsibility there was chief credit officer. So I wrote all of the lending policy and procedures for our mortgage, our retail, and our commercial sides of the bank. I also was in charge of loan operations. So we had to buy the software package, hire the folks that could be processors for us, hired some credit analysts, and then we worked very closely with the lending team there at Columbus First. I've been at Mesa full time for almost 4 years now. A year prior to that, I was an adjunct there and at Southwestern College. I have 2 master's degrees. I have my MBA, and I also have a master's degree in accounting. So I teach both in the business and in the accounting disciplines at Mesa. What else can I tell you? Hobbies. So I've only been in San Diego for about 5 years. I love it here. It's really a great place to live. The diversity here and the culture and the art and the people and the weather and the beaches and the mountains and all of that wonderful stuff really truly makes it a great place to live. Very busy on campus. I am the chair of Academic Affairs Committee. I sit on President Cabinet. I sit on the Executive Cabinet for Academic Senate. I am on a multitude of other committees. I also sit on the Mesa Foundation. I am a board member there. I am a advisory board member for San Diego Financial Literacy Center. I'm an advisory board member for the Western Association of Food Chains, and I'm also an advisory board member for San Diego Workforce Partnership. So I keep myself pretty busy. On campus, I also do the Financial Literacy Speaker Series and the Financial Opportunity Clinics. So if there's anything with financial literacy or personal finance, I'm your guy. Hobbies, we have two rescue dogs that we got here once we come out in California. One is Sam, and Sam is a Dalmatian Basset Hound mix. And then Mac, and Mac is a Chow Husky mix. And Mac just had surgery on his knee, so he's recovering. He's been recovering the past few weeks. I love to hike. I'm a big football fan because I'm from Ohio, Columbus, Ohio State Buckeyes. So I love watching college football. Uh, I like pro football, but college football is much more exciting. I love to travel. I love doing presentations, speaking at these different conferences, and sharing all of the great innovative stuff that we've done here at Mesa. So that's a little about me. I'm hoping to hear more about you. So if you got any questions, you can always email me. Otherwise, it's really been great to meeting you, and I will talk with you soon. Have a great day.